Welcome to a crash course on one of the pioneers in the telecommunications industry, Avaya. Telecommunications, the lifeline of modern society, is a complex web of interconnected systems that allow us to communicate from the four corners of the globe. In this intricate network, Avaya shines as a beacon of innovation and reliability. Avaya, an American multinational tech company, has been at the forefront of digital communication solutions. Since its inception in the year 2000, it has been creating smart, efficient, and secure communication platforms that are used by businesses, big and small, around the world. Before we dive deeper into the world of Avaya, we'd like to take a moment to introduce ourselves. We are VoIP Trainers PV Ltd, a leading provider of telecommunications training. With a dedicated team of industry experts, we've been helping businesses understand and utilize complex telecommunication systems for over a decade. Our specialty lies in Avaya products and services. We believe in Avaya's potential to revolutionize communication and collaboration within businesses, and our mission is to empower you with the knowledge to use these solutions effectively. Whether you're a small business owner or a part of a multinational corporation, we're here to guide you on this exciting journey of mastering Avaya. So sit tight and get ready to have your perspective on telecommunications broadened. We're thrilled to have you with us as we explore the depth and breadth of what Avaya has to offer. Now, we'll delve into the specifics of how to make the most of Avaya's offerings. Whether you're a seasoned professional or a beginner stepping into the wide world of telecommunications, understanding how to use Avaya's products and services can offer a significant advantage. Firstly, you have to familiarize yourself with Avaya's user interface. It's designed with user-friendliness in mind and is known for its intuitive nature. Spend some time navigating through the options and features. It's like getting to know a new friend. The more time you spend, the better you understand. Next, explore the various features Avaya has to offer. From voice and video calling to team messaging, Avaya's suite of services is vast. Each function has been designed to enhance communication and collaboration, so understanding what each feature does and how to use it effectively can boost your productivity significantly. Thirdly, get to grips with Avaya's troubleshooting resources. In the unlikely event that you encounter a problem, Avaya's comprehensive help center and community forums are just a click away. There, you can find solutions to common issues, get advice from other Avaya users, and learn more about optimizing your use of Avaya's services. Finally, make sure to keep an eye on updates and new features. Avaya is constantly evolving, introducing new features and improvements to its services. Staying updated means you'll be able to take advantage of these advancements and stay ahead of the curve. In this session, we've introduced you to the world of Avaya, a leading player in the telecommunications industry. We've guided you through using Avaya's products and services, from understanding the user interface to exploring the vast array of features. We've also highlighted the importance of using Avaya's troubleshooting resources and staying updated with new features and improvements. Remember, mastering Avaya's systems is not a one-day job. It requires patience and practice. But once you've got the hang of it, you'll realize that it's not just a platform. It's a powerful tool that can revolutionize the way you communicate. To wrap up, Avaya is more than just a telecommunications service provider. It's a partner that helps businesses connect, collaborate, and succeed in an increasingly digital world. So take the time to understand it, explore its features, and use it to its fullest potential. And remember, in the world of telecommunications, Avaya is a name you can trust. Thank you and happy exploring.
We are based out in India and delivered lot of trainings and implementations projects in Singapore, Dubai, Qatar, USA, Malaysia, Sri Lanka, and UK.
If you're coming from the airport, book a cab and reach our institute within 5 to 6 minutes. It's about 3 kilometers. If you are coming from the metro, it's about 2 kilometers, you can book a cab to reach us. In case, if you are coming from the local train from Egmore, you need to get down in Palavanthangal stop and it is a walkable distance of 100 meters. If the local train starts from Tambaram, get down on Palavanthangal stop and it is a walkable distance of 100 meters.